I'm Mick Jensen, Service Manager at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
And I'm Floyd Weiler, Service Advisor at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Now's a great time to check your belt hoses and spark plugs and make sure you're ready for winter driving.
Although these items can fail at any time, cold temperatures cause more stress. The last thing we want is for you to be stranded on a cold day due to one of these vital components failing. We check each item to make sure they are performing to specification.
The belt hose and spark plug inspection is part of the Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 6-point weatherization program and is an important part of your next oil change, which includes semi-synthetic oil, new oil filter, and tire rotation for only $74.95.
Don't wait. Get started today. Call us to set an appointment and enjoy our new no-charge pickup and delivery service.
I'm Mick Jensen.
And I'm Floyd Wentler.